An egg salad sandwich is not something you would normally get excited about eating, but this is not your typical boring version. Let's make a curried egg salad sandwich. The prep is super easy. First, just throw a big pot of water on your stove and start heating it up over a high flame. Then we need to finely mince up some parsley and cut some celery. I like to cut the ribs in half and then into thirds before slicing it thinly. Once your water comes up to a boil, add your eggs and set a timer for 11 minutes. While they cook, get an ice bath ready in a big bowl, and when your timer goes off, immediately transfer your eggs in, swirling them around to make sure they're fully submerged. Once they're cool to the touch, peel and toss them into a new bowl along with some mayo, the celery and parsley we cut up earlier, and some lemon zest. Now here's where the magic happens. Using your hands or a large spoon, crush all of the ingredients together, but make sure you leave it chunky with distinct separate pieces of white and egg yolk. Then gently fold in your curry powder of choice and a little salt if your curry powder doesn't have that in it already. To assemble the sandwich, add a little bit of mayo onto the fluffiest bread you can find, scoop on that curried egg salad, and top with whatever you want. Here I'm using a little iceberg lettuce and some pickled onions. You can find the recipe for the onions over on my YouTube channel. I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but dang, that is a sexy egg salad sandwich.